In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Microsoft Forms email notifications in just 5 minutes. Let's dive right in so you can efficiently stay on top of responses to your forms without constantly checking them manually. First, you'll want to navigate to the Microsoft Forms website. Once there, locate the specific form or quiz that you'd like to receive notifications for. It's important to ensure you're opening the correct form, particularly if you manage several. By accessing the form, you position yourself to customize its settings to your preferences. Next, with your chosen form open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. There you'll find a set of 3 dots, sometimes represented as a gear icon. This is your gateway to the form's settings. Clicking here allows you to tweak how you interact with the responses you receive. Microsoft Forms conveniently places these options all in one place, so you won't need to fish around to find the right setting. Once you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Settings. Selecting this will drop down a series of additional choices. This specific step is where a lot of the configuration magic happens, as it opens up various possibilities for tailoring your form's behavior to suit your needs. With the settings menu open, we're now a few clicks away from setting up your email notifications. In this step, you should see an option that says Get email notification of each response. This is the crucial step in ensuring that you're alerted about every new form submission. By ticking the checkbox next to this option, you'll start receiving an email each time someone submits their response. It's a powerful feature, especially if your form is critical to your project or business operations. Finally, if there are other stakeholders who also need to be notified of the submissions, don't worry. Microsoft Forms offers an additional recipients option. Here you can specify the email addresses of those others who should be included in the notifications. Simply enter the required email addresses, and these individuals will join you in receiving instant notifications. This feature is particularly useful if you're part of a team that collaborates on analyzing form data, or if there are decision makers who need to review the feedback promptly. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've now successfully set up email notifications for your Microsoft Forms. This will help you remain updated and engaged with the form submissions, keeping everything flowing smoothly. Remember, if at any time you need to adjust these settings, you can return to the settings menu to make any necessary changes. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps streamline your workflow with Microsoft Forms.